Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is JUnit. JUnit is a simple open source framework to write and run repeatable tests. It is an instance of the XUnit architecture for unit testing frameworks. JUnit, originally written by Eric Kama and Kent Beck, has been important in the evolution of test-driven development. That means first write the test case, then write the business logic, so that you'll build confidence on your business logic code. Unit testing belongs to test a single unit of code, which can be a single class for Java. JUnit helps us to code and test both during the development. JUnit ensures that the modifications in the code will not break your system without your knowledge. JUnit helps to test legacy code automatically, less time consuming. So I have written a small program, factorial. It calculates the factorial for the specified number. From 0 to 12 is the possible number you can give. If you give more than 12, it will throw an illegal argument exception. So this method is going to calculate the factorial. So how do I write JUnit test cases for this? So you can write multiple possibilities. So if I pass 0, what will happen? If I pass 1, what is the expected result? Okay, against the expected result and what this method is doing, you can check and you can assert it. If these two are not equal, show an error in the JUnit. So in that way, negative value and the greater value, if I give the possible values, what is the result? So like this we can write. And one more picture I want to show you. Say JUnit test cases you should write only for independent method. For example, you have method O and method T here. Okay, there are two methods in a class. So you should write a test method only to test independent method, public int O. So whenever you pass something and what is the result you are expecting from this method, you should not be testing the dependent methods. Try to test always independent methods. So this unit of code you should test, and write one more method to test only this unit of code independently. That's the catch here, okay? Because whatever we are expecting from this method, it should do. So that's what the intention of JUnit. So I'm going to run this now. Let's see how exactly it works. So right click. So it will execute all these test cases on our calculate method, and it will check whether we are running it or not. Okay. So it has run all these methods and it is green color. So for testing purpose, I'll just say something like this. Say for example, I'm passing 9 and expected value is this. So I'm just telling you how to reproduce how exactly it will fail in the failure cases, real failure cases. So it will fail. For example, this test case has failed. So this is how you can use JUnit test case, and very important is in future, long term, it will be really useful. In the sense, after 6 months, you want to test the legacy code, you can just run this code and it will check automatically. So automation, it's a unit level automation test cases. Hope this information is useful. Thank you and all the best.